Rich Gubatosi.
I grew up in Brooklyn, New York. I was a police officer for 20 years. My wife was a practicing dermatologist there. We wanted to change her life, a better quality of life. She got a great opportunity to come work in Pittsburgh. We thought it was going to be a one-year stint and we'd go back to New York, but we loved it so much, the kids loved it so much, we decided to stay. Well, my mother-in-law and father-in-law were in Queens, New York, and we realized at some point they were getting older and they needed help, they needed assistance. So we decided to have them move up with us. They built a house right next door to us, which was great to have your in-laws that close. Some people might not think so, but for us it was great. We have a great relationship. But sadly, after they had built the house, probably about a year after they built the house, my father-in-law had passed away. And shortly thereafter that, my mother-in-law started exhibiting signs of dementia and Alzheimer's, and she really missed my father-in-law. So we didn't want her to be alone. So we moved her into our house, set up a nice apartment in the basement for her. She has her own private room, TV, everything's great down there. The only problem then became the stairs. And how does she get up and down the stairs? So my wife and I had started researching companies that could assist us in making her life easier. We found Lifeway Mobility.
After much thought, Rich has decided to set up a free consultation with one of Lifeway Mobility's local experts.
Rich, how you doing?
Jeff from Lifeway Mobility.
Nice to meet you. Come on in. It's going to be right this way.
As mom begins to age, we do all kinds of products. Ramping products, bathroom safety products, elevators, vertical platform lifts. I know right now our primary focus is on the basement stairs.
Yep.
And what I have done today is I have taken a bunch of pictures and a bunch of measurements of your stairs. And I have spec'd those out. And what we have come up with is the Bruno Alon stair lift.
Okay.
Everything is made in America. Starting with the footrest, there is sensors all around this. If it touches anything, people, pets, laundry, this lift will automatically stop. It will not run over anything.
Great.
You'll notice the safety belt. It is retractable with one arm. She can pull that belt right across her lap, and that will keep her safe up and down the steps. There's also two ways of using the stair lift. At the end of the armrest, there is a toggle switch, and you simply move that to the left or to the right, and that's what takes you up and down the stairs. They're also going to come with two remotes as well. You simply push the button. If we left it at the top of the stairs and we need it at the bottom of the stairs or vice versa, we push a button and we can get you right up and down.
Okay, great. The product looks great. I love it. Just, for us, time is of the essence.
Absolutely.
My mother-in-law, she's already with us. I'm walking her up and down the stairs every day, 5-6 times a day. I'm getting older myself. So how quickly can you get this installed for us?
Excellent question. At Lifeway, we actually have these in stock. We can have you in within the week.
Within a week sounds awesome. So what are the next steps that I have to take?
We will take a small deposit from you.
Okay.
And then someone from our office will reach out within 24 hours and we will get you on the calendar. How does that sound to you?
Sounds great. Let's get this started. All right. Thank you, Jeff.
Installation day has arrived. Rich couldn't be more excited to have the stair lift put into place. And soon, his mother-in-law will be able to get up and down from the basement easily, and most importantly, safely.
So glad I called Lifeway Mobility. When Jeff came to the house, very nice to talk to, very easygoing process. The installation was very quick. They were in and out of the house, no intrusion. It was great, and they showed us exactly how to set the system up, how to use it. Yeah, having the stair lift is just taking so much pressure off my family, myself especially, because I'm home with my mother-in-law during the day. She has the freedom to go up and down the stairs, straps herself in, she could use it by herself. And I don't have to worry about her falling down a flight of stairs. That's my biggest fear, before we got this stair lift into the house. But it's been great. It's really been a lifesaver for her, and it's given her a lifeline from the apartment that she has up to us with ease and simplicity.
It's great.
Are you looking for the right accessibility solution to modify your home for your loved one? Visit lifewaymobility.com/designing spaces to browse a variety of products and sign up for your free consultation. Or check out our website, designingspaces.tv.